Okay, so we got this letter in the mail. I'm not excited for it. It's a, hold on, let me cover my address. But it's a Kawasaki letter. It says important owner information, and I'm gonna read it with you guys. I just bought the bike last week, bro. And if this is what I think it is, I'm gonna be calling the dealership, and that ain't gonna be a happy call. Okay, maybe. It says right here, congratulations on the purchase of your new Kawasaki motorcycle. Okay, we encourage you to visit the owner section on our website, kawasakiNorth.com. Explore accessories. We make a review for your Kawasaki Protection Plus KPP Extended Service Agreement. If you did not receive a Kawasaki Protection Plus agreement, please contact your Kawasaki dealership. Should you ever misplace your keys? Okay, false alarm, false alarm. Not gonna make this video. Whew, I was scared. I thought I was gonna have a recall letter from Kawasaki. I know you guys, some of you guys that are into bikes know the Kawasaki had their recall on the 2024 and 2025 models. So I was thinking that I was gonna get the recall, but thankfully it's just a congratulations and welcome to Kawasaki letter. There's my name, there's my model, there's my serial, there's my engine, there's my key code. So yeah, I gotta put this, I gotta make sure that I did not show these things on the camera. If not, I'm gonna have to edit. But I'm just glad that this is not a recall letter and not telling me that I have to take my bike to the dealership. So that is that. So yeah, it's gonna be a short video. False alarm, but hey, better safe than sorry. I got this in the mail yesterday, or actually it says it was, where's the envelope? Okay. So it says it was sent 10/21/27, 7 days ago. I checked the mail yesterday and I got it. So yeah, false alarm, but luckily we did not get a recall on this bike, because otherwise I would have to make a call to the dealership and it would have not been a good call, because they told me that this bike was clear from a recall. So it was just, I would have been unlucky. But while we're here, let me take y'all on an update. So we got, first we have some motorcycle front and rear stands for it. We got the M4 slip-on, which we are going to be removing this thing pretty soon. Then I got the Kawasaki, or the Kawi servo buddy plug-in, so the check engine light doesn't come on the bike. Got the stands. What else do we have? We have something in this box right here. I don't remember what it is. I'll have to look at it after. But yeah, false alarm. This is it. Just a little update on the bike, and we'll see you on the next video, which we'll be doing the install on the bike for the exhaust, and I'll also be doing a review on this front and rear stands for the bike. If any of y'all are interested in it, I'll post a link to all these products in the description on this video. So if you're interested in it after reviewing it, feel free to buy them. I have an affiliate code, so that will help me a bit, and it'll help, you know, for future mods on this thing and for future giveaways that we'll be doing. So yeah, thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Sorry for the false alarm.